GAM. It'll speed you up and get you the information you need pretty quickly. So I'm going to go off this screen and actually go into GAM so I can show you how to go with the steps on your page here. So when you log into GAM, you know, mine looks maybe a hair different than yours, but your homepage of Google Ad Manager. What we want to do is set up a saved report so that you guys can access it and run it. We're talking, you can do this in under 60 seconds once you have it set up one time. So we are going to go to, hold on a second. So we go to reports, which is right here. When you land on reports, in the upper left-hand column, there's a blue button that says New Report. That's step one. We're just going to click on New Report. First thing we're going to do is we're going to name this report. Okay. This is a client-agnostic report we're setting up. So what I would do is call it something kind of generic. Client Monthly Report. Okay. I misspelled, sorry. Okay. From there, I'm just following along the items here on the page. Under filters, filters is right here, kind of in the middle of the page. Under filters, I am going to add the following dimensions. I'm sorry. Under filter, I'm going to select a client. My computer's freezing. So I'm going to select advertiser. I'm sorry? So we're going to type in, we kept using the form last week. You select the client and you hit apply. See how the client's name is now part of the filters report right here? Underneath filters? Okay. So that's step 3. Now we're going to scroll down on the page and look at dimensions. So I'm on step 4. Go ahead.
Do you do this for each different client?
No, we're setting up one master report.
Okay.
I'm going to show you then how to use it.
Gotcha.
So you just pick a client the first time.
And it's filtered?
Yeah, sometimes there's a little bit of delay. So you hit the little tab here, you hit advertiser, and you select your client, you type it in. Once you have a client name in this blue box, I'll do it again. Advertiser, type in their name, apply. So you know you're in the next step once you have a client name in the blue box. So we'll move on to step 4. Step 4, under dimensions, I'm going to scroll my screen up a little bit. Here's the dimensions field. We want to, under all available, you want to select the following 3 options: creative, creative size, and line item. So they're all alphabetically listed. So I'm going to select creative. I'm going to select creative size. And I'm going to select line item.
There's 2 creative sizes.
Creative delivered.
Okay.
Good question. And I'm going to go down here and I'm select line item. See how they populate on the right side of the dimensions matrix? You know that you have added them onto your selection set. Everyone with me? Okay. So we're going to keep scrolling down. I'm on step 5 now, under metrics. Under metrics, I want to check the following options: total clicks, total CTR, ad server impressions, and completion rate. They're all listed right there. You just select those 4 boxes: 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I'm behind you. I'm trying to catch up.
Do you click on Ad Server first?
So, all. Click that little arrow and select custom. I'm sorry, I lied. Select fixed. And then you're going to select your date range. You can select your dates. Month to date or whatever value is up to you. For the point of this exercise, set it for last month of March. You can drag and drop, just like that. And you want to hit apply. So now my date range says fixed. It says March 1 to March 31. Everybody with me there? Now all we're going to do is we're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page. And we click Save and Run on the right side. Okay? So watch what happens. When I click Save and Run, it's going to pull up data for my client that I selected. Specifically, again, here's the dates, 3/1 to 3/31. And here's all the data pertinent to just that time frame. Now, let me show you where this gets fun. Let's pretend we just logged into Google Ad Manager for the first time. Okay? I'm going to hop out and I'm going to get back in. So again, I land on Google Ad Manager. I need to run a report for a client in the last month to date or last week, whatever my time period is. Now I'm going to be a lot faster. I go to Reports. Now check out what I have here. There's a saved report right here that says Client Monthly Report. If you click on Client Monthly Report, it preloads all of those filters we just made. All we have to do is two things. We select our advertiser and our date, and we click Run. So again, let's say I want to do last month, March 1 to 31. 1 to 31. I hit Apply. And I select my advertiser. I want it to be, someone give me another advertiser.
Seriously, 24/7.
Seriously, 24/7. I click Apply. And all I now have to do is click Run, guys.
So I'm supposed
Not
to
right
type
side.
that under advertiser at any time, right?
Yep. So the only thing you have to change moving forward is your date and your advertiser. The report is fully built out. You see how quickly I did that? That was under 60 seconds. So when you need to pull reports on Monday mornings, you're that much faster. They're already pre-built, and there's standardization to it in that you're going to be pulling the same data every single week, every single month. So you look at the same sample size, just longer lengths of period of time.
So what's the difference of doing this versus just like a normal, like you type in the order or whatever?
The difference is you can isolate your date ranges.
Oh.
So if you look at just an order as a whole, it's going to be campaign to date, which by all means you might need. But if you need to isolate a month or a week or a sales period for a client, that's where reports comes in handy.
You hit save and run again after you put the
Just
date.
save.